Oh, dyan kami sa park.
Turned in over there.
Wala sila sa park. Oh, almost be dead. Because there's car in it. Ganda ng park na dito. Oh. Nakita to ni Daddy while nag-work siya. Sabi niya punta tayo doon kasi parang may cool park na nakita ko. Ano to? MEADOWBROOK Park. Yan, oh. There is? Yeah. Oh, there's very mainit na day. Hi, Matias. The sunny. Yan, ganda ng ano nila, oh. Yung structure. Yan. Sila. Yes, oh. Ang ganda ng ano nila, oh. Diyan. Doon ang Ezekiel, ang daddy. It's like how they build in the City Museum in St. Louis. Like that. There's net. Good job, Matthias.
Okay.
Okay. Ezekiel's there. You're almost there. You did it. Great job. Ini ay. Wah, uy. 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 Be careful. In this area. Hot. Yeah. Kuan mulingkod ka kay kuan manggod, di kan manggod nag-init. Init kayo niya, init gihapon. Para Matthias. Matthias right there, Ezekiel. Yan.
This way. Go try. Climb.
Uy. Wahoo! Diyan siya, oh. Diyan si Matthias. Cool, Juday Lab. I remember this kind of, this one, Gali Lab. It's like the City Museum, Gali Lab. In St. Louis. Like this one, oh, like the net. And this stainless looking. Here.
Matthias, go
It's okay. You got this. Whoa, good job. Can I scare you a little bit? You will wait, brother. Good job. Woohoo. Long manggodo, he said I'm scared. Ezekiel said he's scared. Because very long man na yung kuan, oh, na si Matthias. Yay! Where's Ezekiel? Ezekiel, go slide. You scared? Running na si Matthias. Why no fear. Woohoo! Not scary. Sa kainit, nagpula na ilang mga dagway. Mommy will watch you. Daddy's over there to Matthias. That's scary. Hey, go find other. Oh, how about there? What's in there? Good job. Balance. Nasa sila mga obstacle course. You did it. Good job, my love. Oy! Whoop! Where you go? Careful. Did it right there. You gonna go here? Yeah?
Hop on there.
Yan o. Ganda. Wow!
You want me to
Here's a Spider-Man!
Spider-Man.
Whoa! Ah! Oy! Oy! Oy!
stop? It was a little shock.
Oh, careful! Ay, na-scared si Ezekiel, scared. I think brother is the Spider-Man here. Hey, Spidey!
I'm getting it.
Woohoo, wow, you're good.
Over to mama.
You got this. Careful, Zeke. Look at that. Look at Matthias, so fast.
So you go like this. Step onto it. There you go.
Wow, Matthias finished it. He finished the challenge.
Come on, let's go.
Difficult pa man kay Ezekiel. Little pa si Ezekiel. Look at this. Careful, he's... Yeah! Good job, Zeke. Wait, Sunny brother. Wait, Sunny brother. You are in the fish net. It's like you're in the fish net. And you go roll down. You go down.
There you go. Reach up into that loop.
Good job, Matthias. Good job, Zeke. Oh, I think it's hard for him, Lab.
Okay.
Come on, high five. You did it. High five. Woo.
Okay, let me get you. Come on.
Oi. Where is he? Careful. Oh, good job, Matthias. Wait. Look at Matthias, Zeke. Wanna go do that? Whoa, good job. Did. You guys like a ninja warrior. Remember the one on the TV? They do the challenge. Ninja warrior. Wow. You got it? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Little tricky. Go. Nak, you did good, Nak. Oi! 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 He just decided to be a worm. Done getting those. Someone is a silly ninja warrior. Oi! Maganda siya, maganda. Yan. May iba-ibang kuan. Nagkagdulahanan ng mga bata. Dari na area. Yep. No, your face. Go drink water. Read ng bata ba, oh? Read na ang chicks. Tapos yan, oh. Mas like season na cute. You're done playing? You ready to eat food?
Daddy, my feet need more.
Waiting me. Yep. If it is hot, we need to drink a lot of water. Waiting kay Daddy and Matthias. Okay, nag-go pa sila sa kuan.
But I still want to play.
Still want to play. Wants to see though his face red. Look. Look at your cheeks. You can see better because it's very bright, man. Later you're gonna see this. Your ear is very red. It's really hot day, guys. Humid pa dyan. Nana na sila.
Oh, I ready.
Where's Daddy? Oh. Bigla naman sila. Bantay lang sa mga bata. Silang lingkuranan. Slide! Yep. Where's Ezekiel? Did he slide? Good job. Drink
Come on,
water.
Ezekiel.
Ezekiel! You're very
Please go help me.
trying daw.
Matthias is gonna come and help you. Go down the
Ezekiel!
slide, okay?
You wait for your brother. That's gonna be hard in there. Oi! Dahat! Yay! You did it!
It's gonna get red hot.
Yeah, let's go na oy. Nag-start nag-thunder ay. Yeah, the very look at good kon labo. Look at the ear. Look at the ear lab. Hala, nag-thunder na. Very hot ng bibi ni mama, mga bibis ni mami. Hala!
Ready to go get some food?
It's like naman ni Litson face oh. Litson face. Ang weather warning is there's gonna be a thunderstorm. So from init tanawa. Oh, dagom na. Getting cloudy. Ay naari thunderstorm. Ano? Nice na park case do. Nice. Tapos dyan, apod sila kwan din na. Hi Ezekiel. You have fun? Ezekiel, do you have fun? You did have fun? Yeah. Yeah, you will slide with yes. That's good. So this is Johnson County, guys. Johnson County. Para ni sila mga electric vehicle, oh. Prairie company man po rin ni amahan ni daddy. Yan, uli na. Daddy. When you get home from work, we wait right away to the park. Ay, nako. Tapos manihapon, wa sa luto si Manang. Manihapon daw ni amot asan. Kana ra siguro Pasko. You got this? You need help? Drag na. You will see na he's the one naman doing his car seat. Yan daw kami manihapon. Oh! Yay! Treat daw ng daddy, treat. Oop! Let's go! Paborito ang tinapay. Diyan ka magbayad. Good job. Kuya pa rin. Shrimp. Steak. The boys. The steak too. Matthias. What you got, Ezekiel? Oh, why is that? Ay, nagsad, uy.
Thank you for watching. Gunta, magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.